Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to redeem cashback on your dividend card. First, log into your profile in CIBC Online Banking. The exchange can be done at any time during the year, and it is not necessary to wait until the statement is issued to do so. The only requirement is that you have a balance of at least $25. On the Operations tab, click on Redeem Now. A window will open to enter the amount to be redeemed. Select the desired amount and click Next. CIBC then wants confirmation of the amount redeemed, showing the remaining balance. All that remains is to click on Confirm. The CIBC cashback redemption transaction is confirmed. Also, a confirmation email will be sent within minutes. Then, your cashback redemption is posted to the account within 5 days. It may be slower if there are upcoming holidays. The CIBC Dividend Visa Infinite Card is one of the best Visa credit cards with cashback in Canada. With the welcome offer, get a 10% welcome bonus in the form of up to $300 cashback and a first-year annual fee rebate. With this CIBC cashback credit card, you get 4% cashback on gas, EV charging, and grocery purchases, 2% cashback on eligible transportation, dining purchases, and recurring payments, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.